Blessings, everyone tuning in to this message from the Sound of the Future Ministry. Take a moment to pause and reflect. In the book of Hebrews, chapter 4, verse 16, the word says, "So let us come boldly to the throne of our gracious God. There we will receive His mercy and we will find grace to help us when we need it most." Prayer is an approach to God, and let us come before God boldly. Some Christians approach God without any faith, but when we approach God with faith, we know God is working in our favor. Let us come in bold assurance close to God because He is our friend and He is our counselor. In Jesus' mighty name, amen.